Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a hacked Instagram account. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, open the Instagram app or go to Instagram.com and tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your username, email, or phone number and request a login link or verification code. Check your email inbox and spam folder, and also check SMS messages for the recovery message from Instagram. If you still have access, use the link or code immediately and create a new strong password. Choose a password that is unique, long, and not used on any other website or app. If the hacker changed your email, tap Need More Help or can't reset your password on the recovery page. Select the option that says your account was hacked or you can't access your email or phone. Follow the prompts to request Instagram support and provide the best contact method you still control. If Instagram offers identity verification, choose the selfie video option and read the on-screen instructions carefully. Record the selfie video in good lighting and keep your face clearly visible until the upload completes. Wait for Instagram's response and keep an eye on your email for updates and next steps. If you receive a security email saying your email was changed, open it and tap Revert this change right away. If the attacker enabled two-factor authentication, use the option to regain access through Instagram support. Once you get back in, go to your profile, tap the menu, then Account Center, then Password and Security. Turn on two-factor authentication and choose an authenticator app for the strongest protection. Save your backup codes in a safe place so you can log in even if your phone is lost. Next, go to Account Center, then Personal Details, then Contact Info to confirm your email and phone are yours. Remove any unfamiliar email addresses or phone numbers you do not recognize. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Account Center, then Password and Security, then where you're logged in. Log out of all devices you don't recognize to kick the hacker out everywhere at once. Check Account Center, then Password and Security, then Apps and Websites and remove suspicious connected apps. Review your Instagram email messages for official domains and ignore fake support emails or DMs. Open Instagram settings and review your username, bio, and linked accounts to undo any unauthorized changes. Check your posts, stories, and messages for anything the hacker may have posted and delete or report as needed. Tell close friends your account was hacked so they ignore scam messages and don't send money or codes. If you can't recover after these steps, submit another support request and include any proof like the original email or screenshots. After recovery, update the password on your email account too, because email access can bypass Instagram security. Keep your phone updated and avoid clicking suspicious links to prevent future takeovers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.